This week, the week of March 27th through April 2nd, you will be doing 2 modules. This is the only week that you have 2 modules to do. Module 2 and Module 3. In Module 2, what's due for a grade is the training, exam, and Project 1 that are in SAM. It takes you in there when you click on it, so you don't have to log in any extra place. And 1 textbook assignment, case problem 3 at the end of that chapter. In training 3, which is about creating tables and multi-page reports, you only need to do the work in SAM, a training, which everyone should get 100 on the training, exam over the training, and 1 project that you upload. Keep in mind, if you upload the projects prior to Thursday and have tried it at least twice, I will go in and help you get figure out what you may have missed, so that you will still have 1 more opportunity to improve your grade before Sunday when it's due on the 2nd. In your course, when you click on Module 2, there is an overview page that's very important that you read. I'm sorry, it's taking my internet a minute to get there for some reason. This gives you a general idea of what you will be learning, so it kind of helps you set your mind to what you'll be learning during the week. The module overview, what it's about generally, what course objectives it covers, and what chapter objectives it covers. You want to be sure to read the module. I've only provided the PowerPoint in case you want to take notes as you're reading. You may or may not need to watch the videos. If you are familiar with SAM or with Word, then you may be able to skip over that and only come back to use those videos as resources. The module training, like I said, everyone should get 100%. Remember that you have 3 levels there: observe, practice, and apply. So observe gives you a full video of the task being done. Practice shows you how it's being done on the screen and you following and doing it. And then apply, you have to do that level in order to get the credit. So be sure that you spend a little time in the training. And then the exam, you have 3 attempts on each task, but you can only submit the exam 1 time. So once you've submitted, you can't go back to make any corrections. And that is over the training. And then you have the project in SAM, which also is a real world thing, that you will actually type something or make some changes on something that perform the tasks you've just learned, and then you will upload it. And again, like I said, if in this particular project, you have 3 opportunities. So upload it the first time, review what you may have missed if you missed anything, and then make those corrections on it and upload again. And if you've still missed things, if you've done this by Thursday, earlier in the week, then I will go in on Thursday and look to see how you've done, and I will email you and let you know what you might be able to do to correct the error that you still haven't found. And you would have 1 other opportunity to fix it. And then finally, there is a reinforcement case to be done in the textbook for this module. And when you click next, it just begins taking you to where you need to go. My internet's a little slow. We had a bad storm last night. And so this is the reading. When you click on that, it will take you to SAM. And then you would do the same thing for Chapter 3 this week, but Chapter 3 does not require anything from the textbook, since we're doing 2 chapters this week. Be sure to get an early start in the week. You should be working on this daily or at least every other day and asking questions as the week goes. Don't wait until Sunday night to do it, panic, and then need to ask questions, and I might not be available. So, and you might not be able to get it done as quickly as you'd like to. So be sure you get started early in the week on the assignments. End of this video.